Hi, welcome to Breathe Well Coaching. My name's Coach Erin. Join me with this 5-minute breathing and meditation break. Grab something comfortable to prop your hips up if you're able to. Use a pillow or books or meditation pillow. Kick away your shoes, get comfortable. Cross your legs and find that nice position where your spine is long. Your hands can be resting down, either palms facing down or palms facing up, whichever feels best for your body. Close the eyes and start to breathe in and out through the nose. Let's connect with a 360-degree breath. To do this, relax your neck and shoulders, not using the secondary breathing muscles for inhalation, but allow the middle part of your body to expand out laterally, horizontally breathing. On the inhale, you feel a stretch. On the exhale, everything softens in towards the middle part of your body. You breathe in, you feel the ribs expand out laterally, 360-degree expansion, and as you breathe out, feel everything hug in towards the midline. Let's practice an even, equal inhalation and a nice long exhalation. You can breathe in through your nose and try breathing out through your mouth. Explore what feels best in your body today. And then once you've established a nice breathing pattern and a slow breathing pace, close the eyes and drop into the physical body. Bring your awareness to this present moment, to here and now. Notice the sensations you feel in your body. See where you can release any tension. Scanning your body, the jaw, the face, the shoulders, the belly. Soften. Release tension in the hips and the low back, your joints, your knees, your ankles, the hands, the wrists, the shoulders. Notice the breath as it comes in and out through the nose. Notice your breathing pattern, allowing it to comfort you in this moment. The breath is such a good anchor to come into the present moment. Our mind tends to be very busy, either in forward thinking, worry and stress, or past thinking, ruminating. This is a moment for you to be present now. Just notice how you're breathing, notice the body, and see if you can come to this practice with some love and kindness towards yourself. Instead of criticizing or judging whatever happened to you today or whatever you think might happen to you later, can you come into this moment and give yourself a little love and kindness? Say something nice. Be encouraging. What are you proud of? What are some of your characteristics? What do you like about yourself? Maybe bring a smile to your face. See how that resonates in your physical body. Let's slow the mind down and start inputting different thoughts, different inputs into our inner self, taking a moment to build ourselves up instead of always breaking ourselves down. Just see if you can be an encourager in this moment towards yourself. And now release that mindfulness practice. Release controlling the breath and allow yourself to just sit. If the mind wanders, that's fine. Just sit peacefully, quietly for the next minute without controlling. Just feel a sense of surrender and letting go. Bring the awareness back to your breath. Gently bring a smile to your face. Bringing the hands over the heart center, bow the head for a moment. Thanking yourself for this practice, for slowing down the physical body, slowing down the mind, being present with yourself, connecting more to our parasympathetic nervous system state where we can rest, digest, restore, and recover. And as you open your eyes and release your hands down, take some time just to look around. Another beautiful practice to help us ground is to use our senses, our sight, our smell, our sense of touch and taste to connect to the present moment. This is another way to be mindful. Thank you again for being here. If you like this video, please let me know, share it with a friend, subscribe to this channel. I appreciate you being here. Breathe well.